In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use array formula in Google Sheets. Array formula lets you perform a calculation once and have it automatically fill results for an entire set of rows, saving you from copying formulas down manually. Start by clicking the first cell where you want your results to appear. This is usually the top cell of your total column right under the header. Make sure that cell is empty and ready for the formula because everything below it will be populated automatically. Keeping headers in row 1 and starting your data in row 2 helps avoid conflicts. Next, instead of referencing a single row, select full ranges for the inputs you want to calculate. For example, if your quantities are in A2 through A10 and your prices are in B2 through B10, you'll work with A2, A10 and B2, B10. Using ranges tells Sheets to evaluate the operation row by row. It's important that these ranges line up and have the same number of rows. Mismatched ranges can produce errors or partial results. Take a quick look to confirm your ranges, cover exactly the rows you need. Now type the basic math using those ranges. If you're calculating line totals, enter X from A2, A10, B2, B10 in the top total cell. This expression means multiply each value in column A by the corresponding value in column B row by row. You can use other operators or functions as needed, but keep the idea the same. Operate on ranges, not single cells. To turn that range-based formula into one that fills the column, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus Enter on a Mac. Google Sheets will automatically wrap your expression with array formula, so you'll see something like equal array formula A2, A10, B2, B10. As soon as that happens, the results spill down from your top cell through the rows you specified, filling the entire section instantly. If you only see one result, double check that you used ranges like A2, A10 rather than single cells like A2. A few quick tips as you work. Keep any cells below the top formula clear so the results can fill down without being blocked. If your inputs are currency or dates, apply the correct formatting after the results appear so everything looks consistent. And if you later add more rows, adjust the ranges to include those new rows so the array formula continues to cover your data. That's it. By choosing the top cell, referencing ranges, entering your math, and applying array formula, you can transform repetitive calculations into a single, reliable